You okay now? So now we're basically changing the fucking shits on the Outback, the brakes and shit.
Motor mounts.
Motor mounts? Isn't the brakes easier than motor mounts?
What do you mind less, the braking or the shaking?
I despise them both, but I feel like I could do the brakes.
You can do the brakes.
It's not like I'm taking the caliper off.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can do the brakes. I'll do the motor mounts.
So what we're doing today is changing the motor mounts because they're really bad on my car. And in order to change the motor mounts, there's a tedious process.
It's annoying. Very, very annoying.
You gotta take this shit off, which is the tensioner for the car, right?
No, that's just a pitch. Basically support your transmission, which you should change because that rubber's fucking up.
I mean, at least this one's easier to change.
Oh, it's just 2 bolts.
You want to?
A few moments later.
So you raise the engine by releasing the 2 bolts that hold it down on the motor mount. And what else?
Always have a light. Always have a light.
You want me to take the wheel off or no? Huh?
Bro, there was one right there, bro.
Shut up, you asked for a green one.
There was literally. So basically, when you pull the motor mounts out, there's one that's for sitting. There's a bolt that holds the mount, and it's right above the subframe. So you need to lift it up, get a short socket in there.